Well, the Rubicon walked through it pretty much. Land Cruiser was getting whipped. Yeah, the Jeeps are walking through this mud. I don't know what was wrong with that Land Cruiser. Whoa, 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 whoa!
I was afraid you were going to try and get it or something.
Yeah, I was thinking about jumping in it on the move.
No, you never do that. The Jeep can be replaced.
Yeah.
I thought I had it all the way in gear.
We had a Jeep get away from us here, but we'll get it out.
What'd you do, boyfriend?
Ha ha ha.